presentation is for Microsoft Power BI plugin integration. So let's start. Microsoft Power BI plugin performs dataset refresh and it also helps to track the refresh status. So currently I am logged in HCL Universal Orchestrator. So we will see how this plugin works. So let's go to the design, click on plus symbol, task template, and under business analytics we have Microsoft Power BI. So let's select this. Here in general information we can provide the job name in name, workstation in this workstation field, and in the connection tab we have to provide tenant ID, client secret in order to connect with the application. So after providing these details, we can check the connection with the application by clicking on this test connection button. And in action tab, we need to provide group ID, which we can provide it through this select button. In the same way, we have to provide the dataset ID. This dataset ID is nothing but the dataset ID which we want to refresh. We can select it by this select button, and in the body we can provide the extra parameter that we want to pass in the request. So this is the optional field. If we need to pass any extra parameter, then we can pass it in this field in the form of JSON. And after providing these details, we can save the job. So I have already saved one job, so let's see that. So here in general information, I have given the job name. I have selected the workstation. And in connection tab, I have given all these three details. So let's check the test connection once. So now we are connected to the application as the test connection is successful. Under action tab, I have provided the group ID value as well as the dataset ID value. And in the body field, I have passing commit mode transactional and passing the timeout value, which is of 10 minutes. So I have already saved this job. So let's see in monitor page. So as we are able to see, this Power BI job is already successful. So now we'll see the job log for this. So this is the job log. And here we are able to see all the inputs parameter that we have passed, the connection and the action parameters. And down here, this is the result of the job. So in the final result, we will be able to see when this refresh started, start time, and when this refresh status has completed. So this is the time and final status of this request. So this is in completed state. Also, we have provided all the details in the output properties. So here is the details that we have saved in the output properties. Even the results we have saved it here. So that's all. Thank you.